Welcome to our journey today, where we will uncover the surprising power of Pinterest for affiliate marketing. You might think of Pinterest as merely a platform for sharing recipes, fashion tips, or home decor ideas. But, did you know that it can be a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, potentially earning you $200 a day? That's right. By harnessing the visual appeal of Pinterest, you can promote products and earn a commission on the sales. In this video, we'll walk through the steps you need to start earning money through Pinterest affiliate marketing. We'll talk about choosing the right affiliate products, crafting engaging pins that drive clicks and conversions, and strategies for driving traffic to your offers. The world of affiliate marketing can be a challenging one, but with the right approach, Pinterest can be your secret weapon. Ready to discover how to turn Pinterest into your personal money-making machine? Stay tuned. Before we dive into Pinterest, we first need to understand the art of choosing the right affiliate products. This selection process is a pivotal step in your affiliate marketing journey. The products you choose should resonate with the interests of Pinterest users, typically revolving around lifestyle, DIY, fashion, home decor, and more. It's not just about matching interests though. The quality and reputation of your chosen products hold significant importance. Why? Because high-quality, reputable products not only provide real value to your customers, but they also build trust. This trust can lead to repeat business and long-term success. Remember, Pinterest users are savvy. They are not just looking for products, they're looking for inspiration, for solutions to their problems. So, your product selection should serve as a solution to their needs, a source of inspiration. With the right products in hand, we can now turn our attention to Pinterest. Now that we have our products, it's time to capture the attention of Pinterest users through visually appealing pins. Let's delve into the art of crafting engaging pins. The goal here is to create pins that not only attract eyeballs, but also compel viewers to click on them, leading to more conversions and ultimately, more money in your pocket. First things first, remember that Pinterest is a highly visual platform. This means that the quality of your images is paramount. Ensure that you use high-resolution images that accurately represent your product and resonate with your target audience. Don't shy away from using vibrant colors and unique designs to make your pin stand out from the crowd. But an engaging pin is not just about a pretty picture. This is where your caption comes into play. Craft a compelling caption that intrigues the viewer and entices them to know more about your product. Keep it short, keep it punchy, and most importantly, keep it relevant. Speaking of relevance, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are what Pinterest users type into the search bar to find content. By including relevant keywords in your pin description, you increase the chances of your pin showing up in search results. Do your research, find out what keywords your target audience is using, and incorporate them into your pin description. Finally, remember that consistency is key. Make sure your pins are aligned with the product's branding. If you're promoting a luxury skincare product, for instance, your pins should exude elegance and sophistication. On the other hand, if you're promoting a fun and quirky gadget, your pins should reflect that vibe. By creating pins that are visually appealing, tell a compelling story, and are keyword optimized, you'll be well on your way to driving more clicks and conversions. With your engaging pins ready to go, we're one step closer to that $200 a day. Our pins are ready, and now it's time to drive traffic to our offers on Pinterest. Driving traffic to your pins is an art and science combined. It's not just about creating visually appealing pins. It's about ensuring your pins reach the right audience at the right time. Here's how you do it. First, let's talk about Pinterest SEO. Much like Google, Pinterest is a search engine. It relies on keywords to help users find what they're looking for. So, when you're creating your pin descriptions, make sure you're incorporating relevant keywords. This will help your pins show up in search results and ultimately drive more traffic to your offers. Joining relevant Pinterest boards is another effective strategy. These are online communities where users share pins about a specific topic. By joining relevant boards and sharing your pins, you can tap into an already engaged audience. But remember, it's not about spamming the board with your pins. It's about adding value and creating a meaningful connection with other users. Engaging with other users is also crucial. Respond to comments on your pins. Comment on other users' pins. Follow users who are interested in your niche. This not only boosts your visibility but also helps you build relationships with potential customers. But perhaps the most important strategy is consistency and patience. Pinterest marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistent effort and a fair bit of patience. You need to consistently create and share pins, engage with other users, monitor your analytics and tweak your strategy as needed. Over time, this consistent effort will pay off. And remember, the ultimate goal is not just to drive traffic, it's to drive the right kind of traffic. Users who are genuinely interested in your offers. Users who are likely to click on your pins and make a purchase. With these strategies, you're well on your way to making $200 a day through Pinterest affiliate marketing. We've covered a lot today, but the journey to successful Pinterest affiliate marketing is just beginning. We've explored the power of Pinterest as a platform for affiliate marketing, and the potential it holds for you to earn up to $200 a day. We've delved into the art of choosing the right affiliate products, crafting engaging pins, and driving traffic to your offers. All these steps, when done correctly, can transform your Pinterest board into a profitable venture. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a commitment to learning and improving. So start today. Choose your affiliate products, create your pins, and start driving traffic. Experiment, learn from your mistakes, and keep refining your strategies. Remember, by following these steps, you're on your way to earning $200 a day through Pinterest affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips and leave a comment below with any questions or feedback.